Are you wondering how to tell if my roof needs replacing? Do I need a roof inspection? You're in the right spot. We're AGR Roofing and Construction. One of our Omaha roof inspection expert answers the question, how to tell if my roof needs replacing, and if you need a roof inspection. Everyone in Omaha knows that if you don't like the weather, just wait 5 minutes and it will change. While that makes for some interesting outfit dilemmas when getting dressed in the morning, it also means that our homes, and especially our roofs, take a beating. A question we get here a lot is, how can I tell if my roof needs replacing? The truth is that if you're in Omaha and your roof is over 5 years old, the answer is probably yes. At minimum, any home in Omaha with a roof over 5 years old needs a roof inspection. Fortunately, AGR Roofing and Construction provides free roof inspections in Omaha. Our Omaha roof inspection experts will gladly drive out to your home, hop up there, and let you know if your roof needs replaced or repair. If it doesn't, we'll be the first ones to tell you. If your roof needs replacement or repair, we'll work with your insurance company to get the claim approved. Either way, you get peace of mind. Number 1, you can see water damage or leaks. This one seems pretty obvious, but it's the easiest thing to spot. Water leaks are a major sign that there's something bad going on, and you need a roof inspection. Roof leaks can be caused by wind damage, fallen limbs, hail, improperly installed shingles, and a host of other things that all fall in the not good category. This might lead you to ask, how can I tell if my roof is leaking? Great question. If you need an umbrella and a bucket to hang out in your living room, that's a pretty good sign that there's a leak. Most roof leaks are much more subtle than that though. Here are a few things you can easily spot that are dead giveaways that you have a leak and need a roof inspection. Growths on exterior walls. Take a walk around your house. If you see what seems like excess mold, moss, or fungus growing, you may have a leak. These types of organisms love wet conditions, and a leaky roof will allow moisture to creep into your walls. So if you're on the sunny side of your house and see moss, mold, fungus, please call our Omaha-based roof inspection experts to take a look. Spots on your ceiling. Look up at your ceiling right now. Do you see any brown, puddle-shaped spots on it? If so, that's a sure sign of a roof leak. Don't just look in obvious spots either. Pay attention to the corners. That extra bedroom where you keep the treadmill you're definitely going to start using just as soon as things slow down a bit at work. Check there too. If you see spots, go ahead and schedule a free roof inspection with AGR, and we'll get to the bottom of it. Drips. If you see water dripping in your living room, you have a serious problem and need a roofer ASAP. Even if you don't call us, please call someone. This could be dangerous. Curling shingles. Go outside and do a little self-service roof inspection. Don't worry, I'm not asking you to climb up on your roof. That can be dangerous. You're looking for shingles that aren't lying flat. If any shingles look like they're curling up or down, that's one good way to tell if your roof needs replacing or repair. Number 2, there are lots of granules in your gutter. If you have an asphalt shingle roof, most of us do, then you may have noticed that they are covered in little granules. Those aren't for looks. The granules on your roof are there to protect the material underneath from excess sun exposure, which leads to deterioration, which leads to leaks. If the granules are coming off your shingles and collecting in the gutters, you may need a roof replacement or roof repair. Give AGR a call or schedule a roof inspection online, and we'll get someone out to your house ASAP. Number 3, your roof has been hit by hail. In the past 12 months, as the time of publication, there have been 115 confirmed instances of hail in Omaha. 115 is a lot of anything, but it's especially a lot for one roof to take. That's why we say that if you're in Omaha with a roof more than 5 years old, you need someone to perform a roof inspection. Good thing is, they're free with AGR. We can tell if your roof needs replacing or if you're all good. Many times, damage to the chimney flashing is just that, flashing damage. We can replace it lickety-split and get you squared away. However, if you wait and don't do anything about it, well, that's a different story. Well, there you have it. I hope we have answered the question, how can I tell if my roof needs replacing? And given you a few ways to tell if you need a roof inspection. AGR Roofing and Construction is the most reviewed roofing company in the Omaha area. Check out the hundreds of 5-star reviews on Google left by our satisfied customers. Give us a call at 402-639-1218 or schedule a free roofing inspection online, and we'll send one of our factory-certified Owens Corning Platinum Preferred Contractor Omaha Roofing experts at your earliest convenience. We can even do it same day if you need a roof inspection today.